How to create an album on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then, click on your name at the top. After you click on your name, you'll find your profile pop up. In here, scroll down and click on Photos. After you click on Photos, scroll down in Photos and you'll find Album. Click on Albums. You'll find all your albums in here. But at the top, click on Create Album, which is the first option. Then, at the top, add your album name and press on Create at the top right corner of your screen. After you have created the album, you'll find a new album. Simply click on it. After you've clicked on it, you'll find Add Photos and Videos option. Click on Add Photos and Videos. Then select the photos you want to add. Press on Next at the bottom right and it will be posted in here. And this is how to create an album on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.